What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be demoing a 500 gram cake from TSky Fireworks called Roaring Lion. It's an 8-shot cake, and check it out. Let's see the effects. Check out those images. Whoa, they got some pretty nice tails on them. The effects: brocade tail to brocade crown, dark to giant crackling flowers, tremendously blooming as the finale of the whole box series. Okay, so the powder is up to 500 grams, noise 9 out of 10, altitude high, and the pattern is panoramic. This cake is part of the TSky Unleash the Beast assortment. So this would be the lion out of the 4. I'm really excited to shoot this one off. We got this over there at Big D's in Hawley, Pennsylvania. Actually, let's take a look underneath the hood. So, got some 2-inch bores, 3, and then 2 angled. Yeah, this is gonna be a hard-hitting cake. I can feel it already. But yeah, Big D's Fireworks in Hawley, Pennsylvania. Make sure you check them out. If you guys like this cake, remember, drop a like on the video and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. See you guys.